Hi children. Okay, the last class we finished the grammar part, subject and predicate, and also here one thing at a time question answers is remain. So one thing at a time, the meaning of the poem we have finished. Let's start today the question answers of the poem one thing at a time. So it is written by M.S. Students. So first question is, what is the poet trying to teach through the poem? So totally what the poem is trying to teach in the poem? The poet is trying to teach us to do one thing at a time so that we can do it with complete concentration. So the meaning, the poet is saying that, so what work we are doing, the present, so that work will be done with concentration, with complete concentration. Okay, without concentration we cannot do any work. That work will be not done correctly. Is it clear? So the poet is totally saying that one thing at a time so that we can do it with complete concentration. Clear? Second one is, what happens if we try to do too many things at the same time? So what will happen the same time if we try to do too many things? So if we try to do too many things at the same time, then the things will not be done correctly. Clear? So same, too many things at the same time, if we try to do, the things will not be done correctly. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಲವಾರು ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಡಗಿದರೆ ಅವು ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸನ ಒಂದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸನ ಒಂದು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. The third one is, explain these lines, all that you do with your might. We should do every work with a lot of concentration and with all our might. Clear? Same. We have to give concentration on the work. So next, what's the time? So here, what is time is there? Roman numbers. Look at the clocks and write the time. The first one, 7 o'clock, 10:30, 5:15, 8 o'clock, 10:10, 6:45, and 2:30. Clear? These are all the times. So these question answers I will send in the WhatsApp group. You have to write and read. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.